Assalamu alaikum class. Today I am going to discuss the fill in the blanks of amphibians. Amphibians, they are present on all continents except the Antarctica. Why they are absent on Antarctica? Because the environmental conditions are very harsh, and amphibians maintain the body conditions according to the external environment. So there is a chance of death. So they are absent from the Antarctica. Members of the family Salamandridae, they are commonly known as the newts. They frequently retain the caudal fin. They have a tail on fin present. For internal fertilization, most male salamanders produce a pyramidal gelatinous spermatophore that is capped with the sperm. This is actually a structure which is time being uh, used to store the sperm in case of males. Pedomorphosis is the incomplete metamorphosis in which salamanders become sexually. Actually, pedomorphosis is the phenomena in which animal becomes sexually mature during the larval stages. Vertebrates can protect against infective microorganism, ultraviolet desiccation, and the mechanical injury. The pelvic girdle of amphibian consists of three bones: the ilium, ischium, and the pubis. The skeleton of the chordata is divided into four regions: uh, cervical, trunk, throat, and caudal. A spiral valve in the conus arteriosus or ventral aorta help to direct the blood into the pulmonary and the systemic circuits. In amphibia, gas exchange occur across the skin as well as in the lungs. The carotid artery or carotid arch number 3 carry blood to the head in case of amphibian. The systemic artery or aortic arch 4 take blood to the body. Unlike other vertebrates, amphibians have contractile vessels called the lymphatic hearts that pump fluid through the lymphatic system. Gaseous exchange through the skin is known as the cutaneous respiration. The ear of a neura consists of tympanic membrane, middle ear, and the inner ear. Abutting the tympanic membrane is a middle ear ossicle called the stapes. This bone is responsible for the transmission of the vibrations from the tympanic membrane into the inner ear. In a neuron's high frequency airborne vibrations are transmitted to the inner ear through the tympanic membrane. Urinary bladder is the ventral outgrowth of the cloaca in case of the frog or a neura. Amphibians that spend more time on the land excrete urea that is produced in the liver because they have water scarcity, so they have to convert the ammonia into the urea to prevent themselves from the harmful effects of ammonia. The main exception to the external fertilization in the amphibians are the salamanders. They have internal fertilization. The positioning and the mounting of the male frog, that is grasping the female with the forelimbs around the female waist during the reproduction, this phenomena is called the amplaxis. Male have to grasp the female and it enhances the chance of fertilization. Male caecilians have intromittent organ which is used to introduce the sperms into the female body, and this is actually an introductory organ. The female of the genus of Rio Batrachus brood their young in their stomach. You have to underline this. This one is the genus name. Female of the genus Pipa, small, first P should be capital, and this word should be underlined. Of Adenura carry eggs on their backs. Series of the abrupt structural, physiological, and the behavioral changes that transform a larvae into an adult is known as the metamorphosis. Conversion of larvae into the adult through various phases, and these phases are actually known as the metamorphosis. The sexually mature larvae of the amphistoma is known as the exoloton. There were two lineages of ancient amphibians. The major component of the diet of the modern amphibian is the arthropoda. They have sticky tongues and they use their tongues to capture insects. Two lineages of early amphibians from the late Devonian and early Carboniferous can be distinguished by how the roof and the posterior portion of the skull attach to each other. There are about 3,000 modern species of amphibians. Approximately 115 of the 350 described species of salamanders live in North America. Salamanders range in length from a few centimeters to 1.5 meter. Salamanders in the family Plethodontidae, they are the fully terrestrial animals. The largest North American salamander is the tropical. Many salamanders are the pedomorphoses. They become sexually mature during larval stages. Zoologists have described about 160 species of caecilian confined to the tropical region. The order Aenura include about 3,500 species of frogs and toads. Family of the two toads is known as the Bufonidae. Toads have very dry skin. In amphibians, chromatophores are specialized cells in the epidermis and the dermis of the skin that are responsible for the skin color and color change. As from the name indicate, chroma means these are involved in color production. In terrestrial vertebrates, the skeleton is modified to provide support against the gravity. The vertebral column of the amphibian is modified to provide support and flexibility on the land. Tetrapod depend more on appendages than the body wall for the locomotion. A bullfrog may prey on the small mammals, birds, and other anurons. Anurons and plethodontid salamanders use their tongues and jaws in a flip and grab feeding mechanism. The frog tongue attached to the interior margin of the jaw and fold back over the floor of the mouth. This is an exception in frogs because their tongue is attached at the anterior margin of the mouth. Mucus Mucus and buccal glands on the tip of the tongue of amphibian exude sticky secretions. Amphibians have a well developed lymphatic system of blind ending vesicles that return fluid, proteins, and ions filter from the capillary blood in the tissue space to the circulatory fluid. In salamanders, 30 to 90% of the gas exchange occur across the skin. At 5% approximately at 5 degrees centigrade, approximately 70% of gaseous exchange occur through the skin and the mouth lining. The midbrain of the amphibia contain a region called haptic tectum that assimilate sensory information and initiate motor responses. The hindbrain of the amphibian function in motor coordination and in regulating heart rate and the mechanics of the respiration. Our sensory receptors are widely distributed over the skin because they receive stimulus from everywhere. In amphibia, the iris can dilate or dilate or constrict to control the size of the pupil. This is the part of the eye. The tympanic membrane is a piece of integument stretched over cartilaginous ring that receive airborne vibration and transmit them to the middle ear. The kidney of the amphibian lie on either side of the dorsal aorta on the dorsal wall of the body cavity. Some amphibians excrete ammonia when they are in water and urea when they are in land. They are on land. Definitely, release of nitrogenous waste product depend on the availability of the water. When an amphibian flattens its body on the moist surface, the skin, especially in the ventral pelvic region, absorb water. The sound production apparatus of frog consists of the pharynx and its vocal cords. Metamorphosis is a series of abrupt physiological and behavioral changes that transform a larvae into the adult. Some zoologists place Anura urodeles and the caecilians into a single subclass known as the Lis amphibia. It is likely that amphibians actually represent the paraphyletic group. Members of the order Aenura, they have tongue that is attached at the anterior margin and they have glands on the tongue that produce sticky secretions. Most salamanders have internal fertilization. Male deposits spermatophore and so spermatophore is picked by the female into its body. An adult amphibian embryonic aortic arch 6 become pulmonary artery. The upper eyelid of the amphibian forms a transparent membrane that clean and protect the eye, and this membrane is called the nictitating membrane, which is used to clean the eye. Amphibians were the first to possess a cervical vertebrae. This vertebrae increases the flexibility of vertebral column during locomotion on the land. This is the completion of the topic. Thank you, class.